Ooh, she wobbly. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video on our little £200 van, our 2001 Renault Kangoo. Now, as you've probably seen from the the little intro, we've got a bit of wobblation going on, especially, well, the most obvious is on the gear stick. Especially when you accelerate and decelerate in gear, the gear stick kicks, it goes juk, juk all the time. So ultimately, we've got an issue with an engine mount. It's hard to see up here. I'll try and... Can you see it? I'm wobbling because hang on, let's try and actually get something. There you go, he's wobbling a lot, but the best place to see it is down below. Now, before I bought this van, so just a few hundred miles ago, this had a new lower engine mount fitted by a garage. Now, I have been underneath and given it a wobble, and it's not good. We'll get there in a minute. But anyway, I have ordered a replacement engine mount. This is only a cheapie. I think it was £12.35, something like that, from eBay. That is delivered. It looks absolutely nothing like the picture, because that one was nice and alloy, and this one is just a pressed steel thing. But again, it's cheap and it's got bushes in. I didn't realise they're offset as well, so we'll have to keep an eye on that. That one doesn't look particularly straight though either. But yeah, so we'll have a look at that. So I think the first thing to do is just to get this up in the air, and I'll show you what I mean by how wobbly that engine mount is. Actually, it's more of an engine stabilizer than a mount, maybe. Some people call them dog bones, but yeah, same sort of thing. Right, we're up enough. Hopefully I can get my belly under there. So let's go and have a look underneath. God, look at that mud. Yeah, and bit of a clean up required there. Oh, it's dark. Hang on. Bear with me. So, what can I stick this to? Not that. That. So here we go. Here is the engine mount, or steady. I'm just trying to put you somewhere where I'm not moving you too much. So you can see it doesn't look that old. It looks exactly the same. You can see the offset as well, but I'm hoping I'm not shaking you too much. But yeah, that's where our movement is. So let's look at getting this thing off. I hope you guys can see okay. I can't. You can see probably better than me. But so we've got to undo the two bolts. Are only 16 mil or 16 mil spanner. So I don't know. Ooh, relatively tight, so that's something. Let's get it over to the bench. And if you do like what we're doing here and find it informative or interesting, please give us a thumbs up. We're on the bench, and as you can see, I'm trying not to knock you. If I do apologise. We're looking very similar here, except this has got, oh, okay, I thought it had tape around it, but it's just absolutely mullered. That's poor, seems it's only a few hundred miles out. A few hundred miles. I've got the receipt for this as well when she had it done. That's bad. They've just put, that is something like Tiger Seal or PU adhesive that they've just shoved in there. That's naughty, isn't it? Anyway, let's throw this one back in. Well, So as you'd expect, the refitting is pretty much the reversal of the removal. Which side were these? Does it matter? Probably not. Let's go for that way. Good and tight. Right. That. Oh. That's better, isn't it? Sorted. There we go, back on the ground. Nice, cheap, easy job, and hopefully that seems a bit better. Yeah. Oh, and if you're wondering why, it was supposed to be a quick little, yeah, I just want to maybe repair the headlight, because, hang on, let me get a torch. If you can see, there's all sorts of debris. There's even a huge, I think there's a moth in there. I don't know if you can really see it. There's a lot of debris and stuff in there. Even a massive cobweb. Again, apologise if you can't see what I'm seeing. But yeah, it's a bit broken on the tab. And it's smashed up behind here as well. And there's a tab missing. So I'm going to have to get another one. But yeah, it's pretty... I don't even see if you can notice it. There's a big hole in there. This is all broken up, so yeah, look out for another one. I think they're quite cheap. But so yeah, that's why the front end is off, because you can't take the headlight off with the bumper on. And we found some more cleaning work to do, and we also found a little bit of hidden damage. You can see the little kick up there. It's obviously not supposed to be there. The hinge was really loose. Oh, the actual hinge was loose. It's obviously loose on the bolts now. But yeah, it pulled out the pin a bit. So we've had a bit of a ding back here. I doubt you can see it on the camera. But that is back a bit more than that side. So yeah, you can see there's a little kink on that bar there. So we're going to have to do a little pull on that. I'm just going to... bit of a bouncy pull on that one, but yeah, sorry. I'm oh, blimey, hang on, excuse me. I'm waffling on. That's a nice easy job. What they've done there is naughty. That's got tape around it and some sort of a sealer to hold it in. You can see how shiny that is. That's a bit naughty. Yeah. It's unfortunate. Anyway, sorry. Nice little job. All you need is jack, some axle stands or jack stands, two 16mm spanners or ratchet, or if you're lucky enough to have a little electric ratchet, one of them. And that's it. Easy peasy. Hopefully it'll make it a lot better. I don't want to start it at the moment because obviously it's going to be really stinky in here. But yeah, we'll try it out and I'm sure it'll be better. It's immeasurably better underneath. See if it's better. Well, engine's running rough, but that's definitely not as wobbly as it was. An improvement. I'm going to stop now. Thank you so much for watching. Look us up on Instagram, Larks_workshop, and I hope I see you next time. Cheers then. Oh, we appear to have some drippage. Oh, it's going everywhere. How much is in this thing? There's only water, so it must be in sills from when we washed it out. Oh well, it's washing the floor now. Cool. It's actually in really good condition under here. Someone used to look after this van. Really good. Just needs more washing underneath, I think. Yeah. Cool, that water's run all the way down here. My battery charger was in it. Just oh, idiot. Oh, it left you running. Right, let's see if this makes any difference, if we can get it to start. That's a no. What's going on?